Hi guys, turuan ko kayo paano gumawa ng shabura. Shabura na parang biscuits, masarap. Yan, una, maglagay tayo ng isang itlog, tapos 4 na finjan na sugar. Yan, ihalo lang natin guys. Pagkatapos ng halo, lagyan natin ng 1/2 cup of oil, disposable cup, 1/2. And then mix. And then, lagyan natin ng baking powder, 1 tablespoon. Yan, mix again. And then, maglagay tayo ng water, 3/4 cups ng disposable. And then, maglagay tayo ng 1 teaspoon yung anise. I don't know in Arabic. 1/2 teaspoon of anise. And then, mix again. And then we add 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. And then mix again. Yan guys. Mix natin para maganda yung butter, yung dough. Yan, tapos ganyan yung consistent guys. Hindi siya watery. Yan, ganyan siya. Tapos yan, natin sa yung lutuan. Ilagay natin sa lutuan, tapos i-flatten natin. I-flatten lang guys. We occupy the space of the plates. Okay, flatten lang. Para masarap kasi yung manipis guys. Tapos yan, lagyan natin ng sesame seeds. Yan, lagyan natin, damihan natin yung sesame seeds para masarap. Yan guys. Yan. Nagawa kasi ako ng 3 plates. Yung ginamit ko na yung panglagyan, ginamit ko ulit. Yan, luto na yung shabura natin. Yan. Ganyan yung pagkaluto, brown, para masarap.